Previously from Part 1.
Congratulations, Brian. But before you start to gear up, there are just a few things that need to happen.
What? DMV registration procedures vary from state to state. California customers, your paperwork will be mailed by USPS mail. Please do not register your bike until you have taken safe delivery of your motorcycle.
Online tracking information for freight is only an estimate on when it will arrive to the closest shipping hub, not to your door. If everything looks good, sign for your motorcycle and get ready to open the biggest package you've ever received. Sorry, Brian, there's still more you have to do.
I know my motorcycle is in there. How am I going to get it out? Do I still need to put it together? I think I need some help.
While uncrating your new motorcycle is possible with one person, CSC recommends you get somebody to help you. Uh-oh, Brian is having trouble finding someone to help.
Maybe pizza and drinks will help find that guy. You know that guy with the truck?
Only simple tools are needed: a side or box cutter and a hammer. Please use caution to prevent possible personal injury or damage to your new motorcycle. Again, please use caution as you will be dealing with sharp objects like box cutters, nails, and staples. First step is to cut the center strap. Now, pull open the top of the box.
Holy moly!
Find the glue seam corner and peel the box off the crate. At this point, inspect your motorcycle, and if there's any damage, take pictures and submit them to CSC. With side or box cutters, remove the packaging material and any parts that were packed with your motorcycle. Brian has even purchased an SG250 t-shirt. With a hammer, carefully remove the 3 top cross beams and 6 side beams. Remove your keys, which are zip tied to the handlebars. Your motorcycle is held down with ratcheting tie downs. Do not cut the straps. Unknot the 4 tie-down straps, but do not release the ratchets just yet. Use caution when releasing the tie-down ratchets. Expect a pop from spring tension from the compressed suspension. Evenly loosen the left side tie-down ratchets. Start at the rear left, then the front left. With the left side loose, the motorcycle should have enough angle to put down the side stand. Find a thin piece of wood and place it under the side stand for support. Evenly loosen the right side tie-down ratchets, starting at the rear right, then front right. With the motorcycle balancing on the side stand, completely remove the tie-downs. From the left side of the motorcycle, retract the side stand and carefully roll it off the pallet. Using the front brake will help you stay in control. Some protruding parts, like mirrors and luggage, are removed in order to fit your motorcycle in the shipping crate, so minor assembly may be required. Your motorcycle has about a gallon of gas, all the necessary fluids, and a charged battery, making it ready to ride. SG and TT250s have manual fuel petcocks and carburetors and have specific steps to start them. Instructions are in the registration packet that Sarah mailed to you. Instructions can also be found on CSC's website and YouTube channel. Check the link in the description. Now that Brian has his new CSC motorcycle safely out of the crate and has given a quick walk around, he's ready to get things started and go for a ride. Or is he?
Why isn't my bike starting? Is there something wrong with the bike? Is there something I forgot to do?